Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to learn that how you can lock your Amazon Prime account. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first you need to open your web browser on your device. The next thing you need to do is to type in Amazon Prime, tap on this link and you will come to this website, Amazon Prime Video. The next thing you need to do is to tap on your profile icon and make sure that you're signed into your account. The next thing you need to do is to tap on Manage Profile. So once you tap on Manage Profile, for here you need to tap on Edit Profile. Select the profile that you want to lock. Tap on that profile. So the next thing you need to do is to tap on Account PIN and Locks. So once you tap here, you need to enter a PIN code here of 5 digits. So I will select 5 digits. The next thing you need to do is to tap on Done. So once you tap on Done, the password is saved, they say, and from here you need to enable this one, Profile Lock. So once you enable that one, and the next thing you need to do is to tap on Save right at the bottom. So once you tap on Save, as you can see now the account has been locked. Every time I want to open this profile, it will be locked. So guys, this is all it takes to lock your profile on Amazon Prime Video. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care.